This video will give you the basic information on how to read a medication label in pharmacology. First, we're going to talk about the name of this medication. Xarelto is the trade name. If you're looking for the generic name of this medication, the generic name is usually in smaller letters. The name of this medication is rivaroxaban. That's the generic name of this medication. Now we're going to look for the dosage strength of this medication. It's 2.5 milligrams. That's the dosage strength of this medication. Now we're going to look for the form of this medication. The medication form is in tablets. Now we're going to look for how many tablets are in this bottle. We have 60 tablets in this bottle. This is the basic information you will need to read a medication label in pharmacology. If you like this video, follow me on YouTube at Angel's Health Science. I will be having more helpful videos like this for pharmacology. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow.